How to change your username on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can change your Twitter username, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change your username on Twitter, all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all launch the Twitter application on your phone. So basically once you launch a Twitter app, you can see I'm logged into my account. So if I want to change its username, I would need to tap on the profile icon. At the very top, if I just come to my profile page, I have the option to actually edit profile, but over here I can only change my name and I cannot change my username. So this is certainly not what we want to do. We want to come back and then just tap on the profile icon again. We want to go to settings and support, and then we want to go to settings and privacy. So once we come to settings and privacy, you'll find the option called your account at the top. Just tap on it. Once you tap on your account, you'll find another option called account information. Just tap on that option again. Once you tap on account information, here you'll find the option called username at the very top. Just tap on username, and then over here you simply want to enter the new username that you want to change to. Once you enter the new username that you actually want to change to over here, all you need to do is just tap on the done button from the top right hand side of the screen to save the changes, and it successfully changed your username on Twitter. That's all it takes to change your Twitter username. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.